Starting with new developments on a man captured in Metro Atlanta after police say he shot a Florida officer. Today, Othal Wallace is expected to have his extradition hearing in DeKalb County. Authorities tracked Wallace down over the weekend at a treehouse in DeKalb County. It's on the property allegedly associated with a militia group. Wallace had been on the run for days after allegedly shooting a Daytona officer in the head. He faced his first-degree attempted murder of law enforcement in Florida.